Hey my dear viewers and my beautiful YouTube family, how are you? I hope all of you fine and happy. So my dear viewers, today I am gonna to show you very stylish and timeless bob haircut. So friends, the bob haircut is a classic and versatile hairstyle that has been popular for over a century. The bob haircut is characterized by hair that is cut to a length that is typically between chin length and shoulder length. The hair is usually cut straight around the head with or without bangs. The bob haircut can be customized to fit your personal style with variations such as the A-line bob, the inverted bob, and the textured bob. The bob haircut can be worn by women of all ages and hair types. The bob haircut is a low maintenance hairstyle that requires less styling time than longer haircut. The bob haircut is a great option for those who want to make a dramatic change to their hair without going too short or too long. The bob haircut can be styled in many different ways, from sleek and straight to curly and tousled. The bob haircut can be paired with bangs or without depending on your preference. The bob haircut is a timeless hairstyle that will never go out of style. The bob haircut can be customized to fit your face shape and hair texture. The length of a bob haircut can vary from a short, chin length bob to a longer, shoulder length bob. The bob haircut first became popular in the 1920th century and has since become a classic hairstyle that has been worn by many celebrities and fashion icons. The bob haircut is a great option for those who want to add volume and movement to their hair. The bob haircut can be styled with hair accessories such as clips, headbands, and scarves to add some flair to your look. The bob haircut can be styled with heat tools such as a flat iron, curling iron, or blow dryer to create a different looks. The bob haircut is a great option for those who want a low maintenance hairstyle that is easy to maintain and style. So my dear viewers, if you have something to say, just drop us a comment. So friends, if you are looking for something new about hair cutting and hairstyling ideas, then this is the place for you. So please friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And if you have something to say, just drop us a comment. Thanks for watching, for subscribing, and for your beautiful comments. We will see you in the next video. Hey my dear viewers and my beautiful YouTube family, how are you? I hope all of you fine and happy. So my dear viewers,